So I'm gonna make a quick dressing out of ingredients that I carried with me on my trip. So this is a dressing that you can throw together from anywhere. The key is having a container of cashew butter. This is basically just blended up cashews, and I love cashew-based dressings. They're really creamy, and normally at home I would just use raw cashews that have been soaked. And since that's a hassle, I brought this container, and I'll link this in the description so that you can get a container of this as well. So I'm going to start with about 1 or 2 tablespoons of cashew butter. So there's about 1. I'm gonna do another one now. There. And then I'm gonna add all the spices. And today I'm going to make a Cajun type spice. So I have this Cajun seasoning that I just got at my grocery store. And I'm gonna use, I'm gonna start with 1 teaspoon. So this is half. So 1 teaspoon to start, and then I'll taste it and I'll see if I want to add more later. And then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do about a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. I like to have a little bit more garlic flavor in my dressing. And then I'm gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And then just a pinch of salt. Half a lime. And then we have to thin it out. So if I were at home, like I said, I'd be using soaked cashews and water. But this is already pretty concentrated with the cashews, so I'm just gonna add a tablespoon at a time. And I'm gonna keep doing that until I get the consistency that I like. So see, it's pretty thick still. So I'll add another tablespoon. Kind of smells like barbecue sauce. And you can use, you know what, you can use other spice mixes. Like yesterday I used this blend. This has oregano, thyme, dill, garlic, dried lemon, and orange peel. So it was kind of like a creamy Italian dressing almost. It was really good. Today I just felt like doing something a little different. I'm gonna do another tablespoon. And I like this consistency. It's going to go into an insulated bag, and let me just scrub it down. This is going to go into an insulated bag, so it'll stay pretty cool. And with cooler temperature, this is going to thicken up. The cashews always thicken up. So actually, I think this is the perfect consistency for that. But let me just taste it real quick and see if it needs anything added to it. I think it's good. I think it needs a little more garlic. Just a little bit. Just a little more garlic. Oops, so let me see. Let's just add, I'm gonna do like 1/8 of a teaspoon. So there's a 1/4 teaspoon. And then just a tiny more salt, just a little bit. Mix that up. I like it. think it's a little, quite a bit of lime in there, so I like it though, but if you feel like it's too lime heavy, you can add a little bit more cashew. The fat, a salad dressing is just fat and acid, usually vinegar or lemon juice or something like that. And instead of oil, I'm using cashew butter. So if you wanted to balance out the lime flavor, you would add more cashew butter. But I'm actually really happy with this. So I'm gonna put this in my container, my separate container, and then I'm good for the day. If you want more healthy recipes, you can get my book, Straight from the Soil. You can find it on Amazon, or you can go to straightfromthesoilbook.com. There's lots of recipes and helpful nutrition tips on how to stay healthy and how to get clear, glowing skin, strong nails, strong hair, and lots of energy. Have a great day.